Hi guys, it's TurtleDerpMom. Today we're gonna learn how to make Italian pizza.
What do we have today? Grape tomatoes, some good old-fashioned olives, some dough, some olive oil. So the first things first, you gotta oil the pan up. Focaccia. This is Italian pizza, so you gotta make sure there's enough oil in the pan. So it doesn't burn.
Don't forget to speak louder because you never know if they can't hear you. You can just speak as loud as you want. As loud as you want.
A lot of oil.
Yes, a lot of oil. Shout out to TurtleDerpMom, who's making the pizza.
Now you just gotta stretch it out a bit. We're making a big pan, so we gotta make sure it's gonna fill out the pan.
Okay.
Okay, so you place it in, and you just mess around with it. Just make sure you stretch it out in the pan a little bit. So what I like to do is flip it over, because now this side is nice and oily, and that's how you want it to cook. Putting the oil on it's what's going to give it a nice golden crisp.
Golden crisp.
That's the oven. Preheated it to 350.
The oven. Kids, don't touch the oven. It's very dangerous. It's very dangerous, so don't touch the oven.
So now the pizza's not going to be perfect in the pan because that's just what dough does. So it's not your typical pizza that you would get at the pizzeria.
Yes.
So what I like to do is salt it a little bit.
Salt? That's salt?
Salt. What I like to do is I take a tomato, a grape tomato. If they're this big, I slice them in 4.
A lot of people from around the world will see this. So I think you'll be making a lot of people in the world happy.
So you just place the tomatoes on here. Bless you.
Thank you. Thank you, TurtleDerpMom. By the way, your name is TurtleDerpMom. So
why don't you tell everybody, Pietro, how you like it?
Yeah, I like to take off the tomatoes and whatever toppings, but that's just me. You can eat it however you want. You can eat it with the tomatoes, you can eat it without.
But it gives it a nice flavor.
Yes. I like it with the tomatoes and then take it off so I have some of the flavor at least.
And then I take olives, salted olives, and place it on there.
Again, you don't have to add the olives. Is that optional?
Absolutely, you can put whatever you want. You can put spinach, artichoke, whatever you want.
Maybe cheese.
You can, but this is Italian pizza, Italian focaccia. This is the way. From my mom's town in Italy, in Molfetta Bari, this is how we make it.
Wait, is Molfetta Bari the town she lived in?
Yes.
Is that personal information?
No, it's okay because it was when she was a little girl. So now again, just put a little bit more oil.
What kind of oil is it?
It's extra virgin olive oil.
And what's that red brush? I've never actually seen that before.
It spreads the oil. And now, homegrown oregano. Can't
What?
get any fresher than this.
What's oregano?
It's a herb.
I don't know what an herb is, though.
It grows in the ground, like you mint leaves and parsley and basil. So this is dried up oregano that your grandfather, that,
You mean my grandfather?
yes, my father, grows it. So you put some of that on
It's not your grandfather.
My father.
She was just. Yeah.
Now, it's ready to go in the oven.
Yep.
So we'll come back to you with the
Yes.
results.
We'll see you in the next video, aka part 2. Bye.